Uptown Swing level 1, 8 count. Peter.
Wow.
For the recap.
I wasn't there.
I think you mean froze. Okay, very nice. So, we are going to do the twist. Just watch Val do it. She's good at it. So, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, twist, twist. Right underneath it. And she moves if I move her. Remember the big thing we practice with connection? Is we were here. We weren't like this, that elbow going down, and then there's a little rubber band stretch from here to here. We both feel that rubber band stretch that really helped us connect on things. Now we're going to do a swing out and low downs. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here count. Now we're going to do points. 5, 6, 7, 8.